Hi, welcome to Watercolor Wednesday. Today is a very special Watercolor Wednesday, and we are going to look at some of my favorite pens, the V5 Pilot. Now, the V5 Pilot is a little needle-tipped pen. It comes in a 0.5 millimeter, I think that's what it is, width. So it's really small and it's hard to use, but basically you're just gonna draw with that on your paper. Make sure you've got your reference ready. And then you're gonna take a water brush pen and just gonna kind of use it to spread around the ink. The fun thing about the V5 Pilots is that they're water soluble, which you can see here, and it's really nice to just like draw something and then wet your pen a little bit and just kind of drag it away from the line, and you can see all kinds of different stuff happening here, like the fact that I didn't use reference for this really bad Mimikyu. Now, like with most things, you want to have your reference ready before you get started and kind of have an idea of what you want to do. Since I was doing this at the market, I had a whole bunch of stuff out on the table that I could just look at. But basically, just draw whatever you want and then use the water pen to move the pigment around, kind of make it watercolory. It's fun. It's a neat little exercise and it's just silly. If you feel like your pen has gotten too saturated with ink or water, either one, you can always wipe it off. I usually keep a rag around or a napkin so that I can wipe it down and get some of the excess ink off of there, as well as some of the excess water. But you can also do that on your blue jeans or whatever pants you're wearing if you don't care about them, which is like, it doesn't depend. It's a lot of trial and error, so don't be afraid to try a lot of new things and make a lot of errors. Well, that's it for today's Watercolor Wednesday. I hope you guys get to try some of these, and I hope you share them with me at Amberstone Draws. So just like tag me on Instagram if you decide to do any of these and let me know how it went. But I hope you have a lot of fun with these, and don't be afraid to just try some crazy stuff. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Let me know if there are any tutorials you want to see or anything. Thanks, bye!